Hi everyone, and welcome to EDU 221, Introduction to Education. Our class is an on-campus class that meets on Mondays and Wednesdays from 10 to 11:15 a.m. and I'm really looking forward to working with all of you and meeting all of you on Wednesday, tomorrow. Right now I'm just doing this screencast to let you know that I do use the D2L shell quite a bit. I do use the drop boxes, the news item. We do have some discussions in this class and quizzes as well that you will do as your homework online. So I wanted just to introduce you to me. My name is Marnie Rosenberg and I'll be your instructor for this semester, and also just to let you know that the course shell is all set up for you if you wanted to take some time before we meet on Wednesday to look around. You can go into the content area and you will see that everything is broken down within modules. You will find the modules on the left, and you will find your syllabus, some information about me, how to handle discussions that we have for homework, and then in each module you'll see that what we're going to do in class for the week, and then what you have to do for homework for the upcoming week. So everything is laid out for you. You can look ahead if you like, if you want to look ahead. If not, certainly you don't have to. And also just to let you know too that on Wednesday at 10 we will be going through all of this at length and in depth, and you'll have plenty of opportunity to ask questions and such. But I thought you may be logging in, you might be looking at your courses, so just wanted to let you know that the course shell is here for you to support you in the course and in your education. I really like it. It's a great supplemental feature for me, and I think students appreciate it as well. So feel free to look around, click on tabs, open things, close things. You can't hurt anything in D2L. It's very, very user-friendly and safe, so have a look around, and I am really looking forward to seeing you on Wednesday at 10 a.m. We'll see you then. Bye.